So hey you guys, my name is Suchishmita and I hope you all are doing well and safe, and I welcome you to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you my favorite thing, which is makeup. So these all things I bought when sale was going on from purple.com. And before starting the video, I want to let you know that this is not a sponsored video. They haven't sent me anything. These all things are bought from my own money, and each and every link of the products are going to be in a description bar below, so you can go and check it out. And the prices, the original prices and the discounted prices are going to be on the screen, so you can watch it. So yes, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first product here I have is from Maybelline. So from Maybelline I got two products, which is their compact powder and one is their foundation. I wanted to try both of them, so I bought this foundation. This is how it looks, and it is in the shade 128, and I actually love this. This is normal to medium coverage it has, and it is perfectly good for oily to combination skin. I have very oily skin and I just loved it. Like whatever product I have bought, like they are up to mark. The packaging was really amazing, and you see makeup in front of you. Whatever I have done today is from these all products only. And if you wanna know how I have done this makeup, so you can go and watch my Instagram account. I have shared a reel over there, and if you are not following me on my Instagram account, please guys do follow me over there. I am being consistent as much as I can, but I'm trying my hard to be over there. So yes, I just love it. So if you wanna buy foundation, go for this chotu wala pack and then go for that big bottle. Try it out your shade, whatever shade you have, and yes, you are good to go. So the second thing here I have is this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. This is how it looks, and this is really amazing compact powder. Like people, those who have oily skin, you are going to love it because I am loving it. I am from the category of oily skin. And boys, you can use it too. If you are watching it, you can use it. It is just a compact powder. Powder लगाते हो चेहरे में, you can try it once. There's no harm in it. So yes, and I love this. Third product is like I have bought 3 products from Swiss Beauty. So one is their eyeshadow palette, second is their concealer, and the third one is their setting spray. So all of them are bomb.com. If you want affordable stuff, go for Swiss Beauty. Like आँख बंद करके just go for Swiss Beauty. You are going to just love that brand. And I'm going to show it their eyeshadow palette to you guys. I have 04 over here, and this is one of the beautiful and affordable eyeshadow you can get. I'm going to leave the swatches and I'm going to show it also. See, this is how it actually looks like. You can see the pigmentation, and you have lots of shades also. Like I bought this 04, they have 01, 02 till 06. So if you wanna buy any pink shade or nude shade, or if you want some brown tones, they have a lot of things. And what you want, put it in your bag and just leave wherever you want to, because this is amazing product. And the next product from Swiss Beauty, I have their concealer. And girls, if you know makeup, you know that I am no one to tell you that how it works. It works amazing on your skin, amazing. If you don't apply foundation, if you don't apply anything, just have this, conceal your face and go guys, go. This is really amazing. I have this in the shade 02. So they have shades from 01 to 05. I am between fair to medium sort of, so I bought this 02 and this is one of the beauty products which you must have, girls. You must have one, that compact powder, and the second one is concealer. And if you wanna buy any eyeshadow palettes, you just go with it. If you don't do any sort of makeup and you want a little bit, so this is all affordable makeup what I bought to show you people, and I am loving each and every product right over here. Moving to the third product from Swiss Beauty, I have their setting spray. This is how it looks, and so this has aloe vera and vitamin E in it, as it says, and it is like amazing. Not an amazing product, but for beginners like me, if you want to invest your money in something, so do invest in affordable products. Like, go in for affordable products and then buy something which is very high end. Like, try it once, try and test things out, do makeup as much as you can, but go in for affordable. This is an advice from my side to you. Like, it is good if it is staying in your face like for 6 to 7 hours. What you want, girls, what you want. For beginners, it is nice product. I loved it, and you must try these all things. So coming into our next product is the Sugar Cosmetics palette, which is there. It is their Contour De-Force face palette in the shade 02 Vivid Victory, and this is how it looks. It comes with a huge mirror also, like you can see. So over here in this palette you get blusher, you get highlighter, and this is for contour. So it is in a shade 02. So girls, those who have, it comes in two shades only. One is 01 and the second one is 02. So if you somewhere between my like fairer to medium, go for 02, and if you are little bit darker, so go in for 01, because they have only two palettes available. So I just love this. I am the very late Latif to try this one out, because there are going to be girls who must have tried this, and you must have heard about this a lot. I am not going to say anything. This is one of the best palette, because in 799 आपको क्या ही चाहिए. You are getting 3 products, right? Straight 3 products. One is blusher, contour and highlighter. अगर individually अगर आप इसको खरीदने जाओगे तो वो आपको बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा. like 350 का आपको एक पड़ेगा, और अगर 750 somewhere like 800 if you are getting this. Girls, buy this out, girls. This is really amazing product, and this come in this black packaging also. Like, the packaging all is really amazing. It has this magnet sort of thing in it. And Sugar, I love you. So yes, when I bought this Sugar Contour De-Force palette, I got, imagine what, a free lipstick, which is in the shade 08 Wine and Shine, which is right now you can see. And I'm gonna swatch it and show it to you how it looks. This is how it looks, and this much is good for you. This I got free. So this is like very beautiful purplish pink sort of color. Like, it is in a cool tone. So girls who like pink and purple lipstick on their faces, go in for it. I got it for free. But before, I want to tell you ki when it dries out, it literally dries out in 2 seconds. Like, 2 minute भी नहीं लगेगा और ये सूख जाएगी. It is creamy. It is creamy and it is nice. But those who have like very dry lips, लगाओ बहुत सारा Vaseline and then apply this because it is going to dry out and chap out your lips. And just one thing, that before trying this lipstick, apply Vaseline or lip balm and then go in for it, because it dries out really fast and it is smudge proof. So see, this is smudge proof, kahin bhi nahi lagegi, and it is liquid lipstick and smudge proof. So the next product is from Stay Quirky and it is their kajal, and I wanted a white kajal from a very long time. Like, I didn't had any white kajal, so I have this white kajal which is a really affordable white kajal, and Stay Quirky is Purple's own brand. Good Vibe and Stay Quirky is their Purple's own brand, so you can go and check it out. And you are going to get these all products like this Stay Quirky and Good Vibes in their own website only. You are not going to get anywhere somewhere around. So yes, and this is how it looks like. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. It's smudge proof and waterproof, so this is really affordable or very cheap white kajal. Blue Heaven and this are really amazing. If you want to try, you can try both of them. So the next product is from NY Bay, which is their eyeliner. And what to say about eyeliners, like, this is black in color. This is how it looks like. It is jet black and it is just for ₹79 or something. Yes, it is for ₹79. I got it in a discount, so it was ₹79. And the tip is really beautiful because it is like, can you see the tip? It is very amazing to draw the wing eyeliner. If you like, I don't use pen eyeliners because I have love and hate relationship with them. I don't know why. I don't know how to put from that pen eyeliner, koi sa bhi pen eyeliner, I don't know. So girls, if you know any pen eyeliner, if you love it, do let me in the comments down below. I will love to try it for you guys. And this is the normal black eyeliner, and yes, it is nice, dude. And the next product I have is from Blue Heaven, and which is their sponge, and it is very dirty. Don't judge me at all because I have used it. As you can see, I've used it. So it has this flat surface over here to just buff off all the foundation you have, and from this you can also apply your powder like this. This is really cheap and very good sponge, and this is not that harsh on your face. Aram se karo. It is going to just make your foundation look amazing. If you are looking for a really affordable, nice beauty blender, try it once. The last product here I have is from Wow Skin Science, which is their sun protectant transparent sunscreen spray, and it is in a water form. So by mistake I ordered this in a water form. I wanted a sunscreen and I bought this in a water form. So it has this spray sort of thing, like shake it before you use, and you can see it is nice. It is nice whenever you are going out, just piss this on your face and leave your house. And nice, but I wanted to try their sunscreen, so I don't know if I'm going to try that, then I'm going to let you know. This is nice if you know how it works, because I have tried once only and I feel little bit chip on my face. I don't know why, but if you have tried it, then do let me know in the comments down below. I've just bought it and I bought it wrong thing, and I don't know what to do. Like, I will try it once and then I'll let you know what happens, like it works or not, because skincare products, you need time, you test it out. Like makeup products, you just test and you get to know like how they work and they not. But for skincare, you have to wait for a while to see a result on your face. So hey guys, that's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, then do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comments down below whatever you feel like about these all products. And if you want anything that I should try, then do let me know in the comments down below. I will try any sort of makeup and any sort of product for you guys and let you know that it works or not. So yes, I see you in my next video. Be safe, be humble, try to help as much people as you can in this pandemic, but be safe. Bye.